Eric said, why do you not keep the knobs on your stove? I don't know why this bothers people. If it's not in, I mean, I put them on when I'm using it, but what, do you keep tires on your car when you're not driving it? Born This Way Beauty said, where'd all your reptiles go? Haven't watched in a while. He cooked them. He eated them. User something, YouTube kind of messed up the names. I don't know, it's a polar bear. Said, can I recommend Kraft macaroni? The biggest or second biggest reason everyone wanted me to cook at home was for my health, because processed food, bad. And then I make non-processed food and everyone's like, you should eat Kraft. Lady Gaga Lover said, so today I learned if you call the USDA, you can get a free electronic thermometer.
For general USDA inquiries, press 3.
Calling the United States Department of Agriculture. How can I help you today?
I was wondering, is it a thing to like get like a free thermometer?
Free? So is it like a thermometer for food?
Yeah, someone just said like if you call the USDA, you can get a free thermometer, like electric thermometer.
Oh, sure. Yes. Let me place you on a brief hold. I'll be right back. Thank you for holding, Mr. Green.
Yeah,
We're going to go ahead and forward this to our meat and poultry helpline. They'll basically call you back to get the information that you need, so they'll be able to order it for you.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Well, thank you for calling the Department of Agriculture. If you need further assistance, Mr. Green, don't hesitate to call back.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Bye. Love you.
Bye-bye.
I have not received a call back yet from the, what was it? The dairy and meat aisle of the USDA call center for a $6 thermometer. I'm going to get that thermometer though. Post Not Regret said, Alex, I don't believe you're a real person. NPC vibes. I feel like anyone who would get offended or defensive being called an NPC, it's like, oh, they must be an NPC. But I am a little offended here. I don't, just objectively, I am not seeing it. What do I do? What are some common NPC traits? Every single day seems the same. You wake up, check your phone, then wash yourself, eat, go to work. That's just people with jobs. That's not me, but that's just people. Okay, no. You hate your job. No. You cannot go out and have fun by yourself. No. You take the same path every day. No. Actually, I'd always take different routes. More than 90% of your thoughts are the same thoughts you think every day. Okay, I have this a little bit, but that's just 1 out of 10 so far. You see people on videos and social media chasing goals, grinding, following their purpose. I guess that's what I do. You are reactive to others. Most of your actions are out of reaction to something. Isn't there some quote about your action is reaction? All of your choices you make are mainstream. Okay, I will agree a Tesla is an NPC car. That's the only thing. Okay, so 1, 2, I'm like 3 out of 10. I'm 30% NPC. We're good. We're good. No NPCs in this frame. Crystal said, Al Dent. Frank C.S. Wait. Is that the same person? Chris, wait. Wait, look. Are you looking? Wait, look at this. Recipes don't always scale up or down in a linear fashion. How do you tell? You don't. I have no idea what this means. There's a lot of things in cooking. Like, there's so much like lore to the whole food thing. I have no idea what this means. Gargoloth said, bro does not understand the concept of leftovers. You make a ton, then you eat it for a week. That is the worst thing I have ever heard. Gamer Guy 69 said, you only know of 2 settings on your stovetop burners, off and blazing high. I don't know, all or nothing, I guess. I don't know where to twist it. It all looks kind of the same. Tyler said, you're so cute and talented. Yes, I know. Jay said, my grandma freezes the leftovers, eats them another time for dinner or lunch. Jay, your grandma is a threat to society and should be locked up. Jacob said, don't use pre-shredded cheese. It has a coating on it, so it doesn't stick together in the bag. You should shred your own cheese. Jacob, Jacob, Jakey, man, I hardly have the energy to go to the kitchen. Do you think that I'm gonna get my ass out of bed and start shaving off a block of cheese when I want food? You gotta give me a break here, okay? I'm doing what I can. I'm using the shredded cheese. Tom said metal whisk scraping off that non-stick coating. That really bothered me too. Yeah, this is one of those things. I don't know what non-stick coating is on the pans. I mean, I used to whisk in bowls and pans, and the bowls are just aluminum. The pans are they're pans. What does this mean? And then we got a message from person. So many health dangers involved in cooking utensils and food products in general. You have no clue. First of all, your spices and dry ingredients and powder form are all 100% GMO fake food. Nothing but chemicals made in a lab. They have dangerous levels of heavy metals. In fact, heavy metals is one of the ingredients to think about. There's no way you can turn real food into powder, onion powder, garlic powder, etc. Take avocado powder. No way you can take a real avocado and turn it into powder. They just mix chemicals and artificial flavorings to make the taste, and they don't care if these chemicals give you cancer tomorrow. Sometimes you might hear about people finding a piece of plastic in McDonald's chicken nuggets. That's because plastic is one of the ingredients. No lie, they just take plastic and tenderize it or put it through whatever process they have to do to get it to the right texture and consistency. Where it's is this one sentence? Hold on, we're almost there. To where it's consumable and you can eat it, and they add the artificial flavorings and colors to make it taste like chicken, but some pieces of plastic didn't get all the processed, and that's when you find little pieces of plastic in your chicken nuggets. Because plastic is one of the ingredients. No lie, 100% facts. It's a dangerous world you live in. What am I supposed to do about it? I'm using the wrong pans. I'm using the wrong cheese because it's already shredded and my pans aren't sticky enough. What do you want from me? Man, Candy Tough said, a question you probably won't answer or cannot. Why do you spend so much? Not how you spend so much, but why. That's the whole point of the series, is I break down my spending and why I spent it. It's a 21-minute video about why I spent it. Nick said, actually, Nick just gave me financial advice, and I didn't know you could do this, so I'm gonna do this. It's great having a personal board of advisors. Literally, you're all just watching my every move, and it's like you all commingle, and then you leave feedback on how I can improve. I literally just have a refined community, personally improving my life for free. It's pretty epic. I recommend it. One of the hidden unexpected benefits of being a YouTuber. Earth's Geomancer said he also doesn't spend money on haircuts, apparently. What does this mean? Does my hair look bad? I think my hair looks fine. What do you mean? It looks good right now. Right? I think it looks pretty even. I just go snip, 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 snip until all my hair's gone. Anyway, stop eating beef. It's bad for your colon. Oh, what's that? Is my colon? Oh, no, it's not my colon. My colon can't talk. My colon doesn't care. It can suck it up. Boxer Chick said, how is Lowe's groceries? Yeah, this is Lowe's. This is Lowe's. This Lowe's was founded by some guy. This Lowe's was co-founded by the son of the founder of this one. They're kind of the same, but they're not. That's Lowe's, everyone. Lamau said, please stop eating steak. It's terrible for you. Basically considered a carcinogen. Terrible for the environment. Absolutely god-awful for the cows. Yeah, even according to the World Health Organization, it's a group 2 carcinogen, but I don't know who asked. David said, why are you taking shifts from people who need the shift if you're a wealthy YouTuber? I don't know. I mean, I make YouTube videos. People are like, you should get a real job. I get the real job. People are like, why are you taking the real jobs? What's wrong with you? I want to. I'm not stopping you from doing anything that you want. You can become a YouTuber. You can deliver for Amazon. The egg is your oyster. It's up to you. Can't think of one said, does it bug you if you don't get tipped? It seems to bug everyone. Like, I'm in lots of Discord servers and Reddits, and it's just constant spam of, oh, I didn't get tipped again. Oh, I didn't get tipped again. Nobody owes you a tip. That's why it's a tip. And that wraps up the reading your comments video. This is a series I started a year ago. I did 6 episodes and then I kind of fell off like my channel. So if you want to see more of my previous reading your comments, you can check them out in the description and let me know if you liked it. I don't really care. I'm going to do more anyway because they're kind of easy and also really fun to make. So just keep commenting. I'm gonna get that thermometer. Goodbye. You can be a YouTuber, you can deliver for Amazon. The egg is your oyster. The egg is your You can become a YouTuber, you can deliver for Amazon, whatever you want. I'm trying to say the egg is your oyster because I think it's funny.